How often do you use advanced features in your word processing tasks? In the realm of computer science, mastering these features can significantly enhance your document creation efficiency and professionalism. From styles and themes that provide a unified look to your documents to advanced layouts and table creation, these features are designed to transform your word processing tasks. Collaboration tools and productivity boosters are also part of this advanced toolkit. Let's delve into these features and see how they can transform your word processing experience. Did you know styles and themes can greatly enhance the aesthetics and consistency of your documents? Styles like Heading 1, Heading 2, and Normal ensure your document maintains a polished and professional look. Themes, on the other hand, apply a unified color scheme and font style across your entire document, enhancing its overall aesthetic appeal. Now let's talk about tables and advanced layouts. Mastering the art of table creation is a game changer. It allows you to organize data systematically, and with options to adjust column widths, merge cells, and add borders, you can tailor tables to your specific needs. Advanced layout options like text wrapping around images can create visually appealing and professional-looking documents. Imagine a document with a consistent style, a unified theme, organized data in tables, and a layout that's visually pleasing. That's the power of word processing. Mastering these features can significantly improve the appearance and structure of your documents. Ever wondered how to effectively collaborate on a document with multiple contributors? Well, word processing provides powerful tools for this. Track changes, for instance, keeps a record of all modifications, allowing you to review, accept, or reject changes. It's like having a conversation within your document. Then there are comments and annotations, fantastic for asking questions, providing feedback or clarifications. Imagine them as sticky notes right there in your text, fostering effective communication. These collaborative tools can greatly enhance your team's productivity. Want to know the secret to speedy document creation and editing? It's all about keyboard shortcuts and macros. Imagine cutting down your time spent on navigating menus by mastering common shortcuts for tasks like copy, paste, and formatting. Even better, think about automating repetitive tasks with macros. You simply record a sequence of actions and play them back with one command. It's like creating your own magic spell to save time and reduce errors. With these productivity tips, you'll be able to create and edit documents like a pro in no time. These advanced features are your secret weapon in creating professional, efficient, and well-structured documents. We've explored how styles and themes can enhance consistency and design, how tables and advanced layouts can organize data, and how collaboration is made easier with track changes, comments, and annotations. We also touched on productivity-boosting techniques such as keyboard shortcuts and macros. Embrace these tools, practice regularly, and witness a significant improvement in your proficiency with word processing.